and would ask me some questions.
You know, when you guys first met, she was on the fence because, you know,
riding your little bike around the neighborhood, and she just learned how to drive. I gave that bike away.
whatever happened with that whole cell phone picture scan that you said the principal's office do it?
I did. That was good. But they basically.
He kissed Sarah. He kissed her picture with his phone.
Yeah.
It was that's true.
You kissed my daughter at school. That was supposed to be.
Okay. Okay. Did you win?
Awesome.
Did you win?
Really nice.
Yeah, thank you.
Go get her. Go get Goodwin.
I actually can. You probably don't remember this, but